Now, on April 23rd in the year 2000, in Sparta, Tennessee, 18-year-old Erin Foster and her 17-year-old friend Jeremy left Erin's house in the Foster family car. It was a 1988 Pontiac Grand Am. They left sometime before 10 p.m. that evening. Now, when Erin didn't return home the next day, Erin's mom kind of freaked out. Erin's dad said, hey, maybe, she'll just be back in a couple days. She's a kid, 18 years old, probably doing whatever. She'll be back, don't worry. He said this to calm down Erin's mom. Fast forward 1 week, the children still aren't home, so the family members decide to report them missing to the White County Sheriff's Department. Now, during this time, after they were reported missing, multiple rumors were circulating through the town, including one that the two teens had been murdered and their bodies were dumped in nearby wells. Also during this time, police followed all leads, but unfortunately, they all came to dead ends. Also, sadly, no forensic evidence was there, so nothing could point the authorities into the right direction. It's like they just vanished. Now we're going to fast forward all the way to this year, 2021. A YouTuber named Jeremy Sides, who manages a channel called Exploring with Nug. What he does is he searches on his boat with high-tech sonar equipment to look for stuff under the water. Any unexpected items, anything at all he could find that's strange, and he dives down there and he films it. Sometimes those items that he finds can actually solve crimes. This search that he did is one of them. The YouTuber had originally heard about the case and decided to check out the area. He contacted the White County Sheriff's Department and decided to explore the areas in which the two had gone missing. It is a small place called the Calf Killer River. After a long day of checking 3 different areas of the Calf Killer River, he checked places like anywhere there was a boat ramp, anywhere alongside a roadway. After a long day and almost losing daylight, he finally had discovered something he never thought he would. So he suited up and he dove down. Then in December of 2021, he posted a video on his YouTube channel of this discovery in the Calf Killer River. The video, I believe, was taken on November 30th, 2021, and only about 13 and a half feet down below the waterline, which is not a lot. This is what he had found.
What is missing? All the windows are up. The Pontiac. Call 73 EJF.
Now, after the dive, he immediately contacted the White County Sheriff's Department and told them what he had found. A sheriff's deputy immediately showed up and ran the plates from the car to identify, and it was indeed the car that belonged to the Fosters. The car was taken out of the river, and the remains that were found in the car were sent for analysis. Now, even after 21 years of this case being unsolved, it's a good thing that they had found the car, but it is so sad that when the family came out after the car was found, all they could say was there are still so many unanswered questions. Like what led up to it? How did they end up in the river? The whole story is just sad. And I do hope that they get their answers.